Our products are all manufactured in the United States, so everything is designed, built, and supported here at the mill in Rhode Island. We have a primary manufacturing facility in Pittsburgh, we have another manufacturing facility in Las Vegas, and then everything is built, fully tested, then typically shipped here or to a distribution facility that we have in Pittsburgh.
One of the advantages of manufacturing our products in the USA is insulation from some of the global supply chain issues that many companies around the world are experiencing right now. By controlling our supply chain in the US and by maintaining high levels of inventory and by controlling our own manufacturing process, we ensure that Room Alert continues to be available for all customers when they need them, where they need them, in any part of the world.